Hi everyone, it's Jasmine here. I'm making a little video to keep you posted on the themes discussed these days. Last week, I sent out my monthly newsletter, which focused on turmeric and clinically proven products that promote genuine wellness. For this week's wellness update, we're talking about boosting kids and adults' immunity. For those of you who are subscribed, you would have seen it already in your inbox. It says 6 nutrients for fewer classroom sniffles. It's back to school. As kids physically head back to the classrooms, they get exposed to the inevitable germs, bugs, and other parasites. The best way to protect them from getting infected or catching the typical cough and sniffles is to provide the nutritional support needed to help their immune systems function at their best. Specific vitamins and nutrients help support the body's immune system. Among these are vitamins C, E, A, and D, and zinc and iron. You can learn about how these specific nutrients help amplify your body's immune defense in my wellness email. But it's not just the kids who are susceptible to colds and other viruses. As we move into the colder months, flu season inevitably follows. It's essential that we strengthen our immune system, not only to protect ourselves, but also to safeguard those around us. And so on our wellness webcast next week, it's called Supercharge Immunity, and it's with Dr. Bruce Daggy. And we'll discuss what immunity is, how to protect our body, the role of nutrition to help supercharge it, and plus much more. This is a webcast you'll definitely want to tune into. I'll drop a link below so you can save your seat. Thanks for listening.